Hello everyone! One of my clients got an error code on their washer, E01 F06. I asked them to bring their washer to my workshop so I could fix it. If you have the same error code, watch until the end to see exactly how I repaired it. So as you can see, the washer isn't doing anything. It won't fill with water or spin. Let's wait for the error code before we check anything. So we'll check if the minutes are counting down or not. Even if they do, we still need to wait for the error code to appear. Then we'll see what we need to do next. So as you saw, we got the same error code, E01 F06. This code means there's a communication error between the main board and the motor control board, the spin board. In my experience, it's almost always the spin board that needs to be replaced, not the main board. About 95% of the time, it's the spin board. After getting the error code, we ordered the electronic board, the spin board. It's pretty expensive, but since this was a set for the client, we had to fix it. They didn't want to get rid of both machines just because of a board. So, we're going to fix it now, and I'll show you how. This here is the part called the spin board. It's the one that controls the motor, making it run at the right speed so the drum can spin. The error code comes from this board, so we're going to start replacing it now. Sorry, I had too many clients, so I couldn't show you how I removed it. But I'm going to show you how to put it back, so you'll get a good idea of how to do it. Also, there are 3 pins, 3 cables that need to be connected, and that's it. It's really that simple. After connecting the 3 cables, you need to clip the spin board back in. There are holes at the bottom, so make sure you line it up and push it in until it clicks. Then put the drain hose back on top. There's a spot to secure it. After installing the board and making sure everything is set, we're going to do a test. We'll put it on drain and spin and see if the drum spins. As soon as the drum spins normally, that's a good sign. But you still need to wait for it to reach full speed. I'll show you that in just a moment. I often tell my clients that washers can take time to start. Press start, wait for the door to lock, then the main board signals the spin board and the motor starts. Only then does the drum spin. It takes a bit of time, so be patient. These are electronic machines. As you can see, it's almost at full speed. The repair was done correctly. Guys, if this helped or gave you an idea, please leave a comment. It helps me and you, and and encourages me to make more videos like this. That's it. Thanks, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more videos.